little over here, so in theatre you're not supposed to block anyone. So
for this exercise, we had to pair up in groups of 3 and 4, and we did 3 pictures, like a freeze frame, explaining a story. I learned about like freeze frames and like how to stay still like in the image and how you can make a story even if you're not moving.
Basically, the task was we had to follow like the other person's hand, and it was really fun, like to get to be controlled and to control someone else.
I'm feeling good. It was tiring, but it was like cool to like follow the hand. You know, it was quite fun. Yeah, I'm enjoying it. It's very fun. Like, it's giving me something to do, which is great.